So you're ready to start creating your fantasy creature. So let's start by looking at some of these. You're going to make a brand new creature out of 4 or more completely different animals that may or may not even be related. So for example, this one has a chicken's head, looks like a porcupine's quills on its back, might be a frog's body, and it even looks like unicorn feet. You're going to be able to create all sorts of fun creatures. They can be something that's not realistic at all, or something that you might actually see out in the wild. So here are some examples of some different creatures. People have put in all different sorts of things together that wouldn't naturally be together. I want you to think about different animals that you could put together that would be really kind of zany and fun. I like how this one has creatures all over the place, and those pig snouts really make it kind of entertaining. These creatures can live in space, they can live on Earth, they can fly, they can swim. And they don't always have to be so serious. From Canvas, you'll notice in the module with Fantasy Creature, you will be able to find the link within this page. It says use the internet to select images within this link. So you'll click on the link and Iowa AEA Online will pop up. You're going to put in your username and password that's written right on your computer screen. Once this pops up, it's going to be easiest to use the little tab on the left side that says Clip Art. Here is where you're going to be able to search for images. So for example, if I want to find a pig, I can type in the word pig, and it looks like I'm going to get 2,345 results. It's going to actually make your search easier to use the singular. So for example, if I put in pigs, that's plural, then I don't get as many. I still have quite a bit, but it's actually it'll give you more options. Just have the singular. So I'll just put in pig. Now I'm just looking for the pig's head. So as I scroll through here, it's not going to matter that there are other things going on here. So I actually really like this picture. I'm going to click on that picture, and you'll see once you get to this little thumbnail, it has something on there, these letters, and that's actually called a watermark, and I want to make those go away. What you'll do is you'll go directly to the right side of your screen, go to Download, and ignore all this. Just click Continue, and a big picture pops up. In Photoshop, we are going to be able to just take the parts of the picture that we want. So it's not going to matter that it has a shopping cart, and it's not going to matter that his feet are going all every which way. I'm just looking at his head and his face. So I'm going to right click, go to Save Image As. From this point, you have to make sure that it's in your Pictures folder. You have to click on Pictures, and then you'll go to make sure that the file name is what you want it to be. Leave it, whatever file name shows up right here, don't change it, just leave it, and then just go ahead and click Save. So you've saved that one. Then you'll just go to the top of your screen and go to left, go to back, and then you can go back and find another different animal to use. I'm going to pick one for the body, and I'm going to choose a chicken. And I get a bunch of different results here. I'm just looking for the body of a chicken. Now this one does not have any detail at all, so I'm thinking that's not going to be as good for me. I kind of like this one over here, but I noticed that there are other pages, so I could even go to next. And again, I could look through and find all different sorts of things. It could be, that one looks kind of fun. It really doesn't matter what color it is because I could always color it. So I'm going to go to next one more time, and actually this picture looks like it's good. It doesn't matter which direction that the chicken is facing or your animal is facing, because in Photoshop we'll be able to flip-flop it any which direction. So again, I'm going to go to the right part over here, so to go to download, continue, right click, save image as, oops, chicken. Again, and make sure it's in pictures, and I'll click save. Find at least 4 different creatures. You want to have one creature for each part of its body.